Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I just want to say, if you hear my daughters in the background, I'm sorry. I have literally been trying to film this intro, there she goes, for the past 30 minutes or maybe even more, and I have not been able to do it. Life of a mother, never alone. For some reason, you're so awesome that your kids always want to be with you. But, oh my god. I'm so sorry, guys. I hope y'all can hear me. I'm trying to scream over them. So today I did film this... brown smoky eye look. And I did use my Jaclyn Hill palette. You do not have to use the Jaclyn Hill palette if you want to recreate this look. Ava Grace. You could simply just go in with any other palette that you have, just as long as you have the dark shade for your lid and then like 2 blending colors at least. So yeah, I hope y'all guys like the way this looks, and if y'all want to find out how I recreate I hope y'all guys like the way this looks, and if y'all want to see how I created this look that is super easy and is perfect for date night or just whatever, if you just want to wear it just because you're going to clean your house, whatever you want to do, then keep on watching. I don't know why I did that. Okay guys, so first I'm going to take my Morphe concealer and I'm just going to put that all over my lid as a primer. And just that way I could get a clear base going on. And then I'm just going to take a beauty blender and then just blend it onto my lid. And then next I'm going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder. And instead of setting my lid with eyeshadow, I'm just going to be setting it with this. So after I set my concealer, I'm just going to go in with one of the brushes I got from my Anastasia palette. And I'm going to dip it into the shade Chip from my Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm just going to be applying that onto my lid. I am not going to be blending it out. All I'm doing is literally packing that color onto my lid, going back in and packing some more in until I get the desired pigmentation that I want. So then after I packed on the product into my lid, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and blend the color out. And then once I blend it out, I'm going to go back into the color Chip and add more onto my lid. And then just keep blending it out and then packing it on and blending it out. And the next color I'm going to go into is the color Buns. And I'm just going to be really applying that onto my crease and just blending it out and blending it out. And then going back in and then blending it out. Really, this is all that this look consists of, is packing on and blending. So once again, with the color Buns, I'm just packing it into my crease and blending it out. So after we've blended out the shade Buns, the third color we're going into is Pukey. And we're just going to be putting it right above our crease. So right above where we put Buns, we're putting Pukey. And so the fourth and final color that we are using is the color Creamsicle. And I'm just going to be applying that onto my brow bone and blending it in there. And then here guys, I'm just going back in and blending. I took a step back and kind of saw like, okay, this area needs a little more blending, or this area needs more product. So that is a good tip when you're doing any look, really, is to take a step back and kind of look at it from a different angle, and you'll be able to tell like where you need more product or where you need to take away some product and blend some out. So that is just what I'm doing here. Moving to our under eye area, you're basically going to be doing the exact same thing you did on your lid. So just going with the shade Creamsicle and blend that out, and then I'm just going to go in next with the shade Buns and blend that out as well. And then for the last shade, I'm going in with a small like eyeliner brush, and I'm going to take the shade Chip and then just put that right in my waterline area, and then just start blending that out. And then for the highlight in my inner corners, I'm just going to take the shade Beam and Creamsicle and apply that in the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm going to be putting that underneath my brow bone to highlight my brow bone as well. And after I highlight these areas, your look is pretty much complete. Just pop on your favorite lashes and then you'll be done. Okay guys, so after I applied my eyelashes off of camera and made sure that my lip gloss was popping, this look is pretty much complete. If y'all do decide that y'all want to recreate this look, then please tag me in it. I would love to see how y'all made it y'all's own and just recreated it. So will Ava. She would love to see it, guys. But, I just want to thank y'all so much for being here with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and please comment down below any other videos that y'all want to see. So guys, one of the next videos that I really want to try to get out there for y'all is a full face drugstore makeup brand, and I will basically be doing a full face using one brand from the drugstore. And I'm going to be doing eyebrows, eyeshadow, lipstick, lip gloss, foundation, concealer, setting spray, powder, pretty much everything you need to beat your face. It's gonna be from one drugstore brand. But I just need help picking out the drugstore brand. So whatever drugstore brand you want me to do the video on, please comment down below, and I will definitely be doing that for y'all guys. Until next time, stay blessed, guys.